Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to log in my Trust Wallet in another device. So first, open Trust Wallet on your phone. Assuming your account is set and ready to go, you just need to open the app on your phone. And then, go to Wallet Settings. Go to Settings at the right bottom corner of the screen and then press on Wallet Settings. Since you can have more than one multi-coin wallet in Trust Wallet, all of them will be shown here. Each wallet has a different recovery phrase. Just select the wallet to which you want to restore access through the recovery phrase. And then tap on Show Recovery Phrase. There, tap the option that shows your recovery phrase. The app will give you a fair warning regarding the implications of getting your phrase lost, so pay attention to it. And now, copy the recovery phrase. After you recover the phrase, you need to store it somewhere safe so you don't lose access to it. Note that not only the 12 words are important, but also the order they are shown to you. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.